And today, I will be showing you 3 different snacks for toddlers. But before we start, always be reminded to wash your hands thoroughly since we are handling food for our children. The first one is tuna pie. Here's the ingredients needed. We have eggs, breadcrumbs, mayonnaise, corned tuna, flattened tasty bread, and minced onion. Okay, in a clean plate, mix all together the filling, which are the tuna, the mayonnaise, and the minced onion. You can also add a pinch of salt to taste. Then, set it aside. Then, scramble at least 3 pieces of egg that will be used later on for the coating. Now, after preparing all the ingredients, here's the process to make the tuna pie. In a clean flat surface, get 1 flattened tasty bread. This will serve as the crust of the pie. Then, get a small amount of filling, which is the tuna with the mayo and onion. Put it in the center of the bread and fold it into half. Then, get a fork and seal all the edges using it. And then after that, dip it in the scrambled egg and coat it with the breadcrumbs. Then, continue to make until you use all the breads and the tuna. The tuna pie is ready to fry. Next, heat a pan and put enough amount of oil. Once the oil is ready, start frying the tuna pie and wait until it turned to golden brown. That is the sign that you need to remove it inside the pan. And for the last step, we are going to make a sauce of the tuna pie. So we're going to mix the mayonnaise and the ketchup. And here's the finished product. The second one is cheese sticks. First, cut the whole cube of cheese into strips like this. Second, you can also cut your wrapper into half if it's too big. Now let's begin with the procedure. In a clean flat surface or a flat plate, place 1 piece of wrapper, then fill it enough amount of cheese strips, and then place it in a straight line, and then start wrapping the cheese and seal it with water. And then continue until you finish all the ingredients. So here's the product and it's ready to fry. Just like in the tuna pie, when the pan is ready, you can now place the cheese sticks in the pan and start frying. And then, after a while, when the cheese sticks turn into golden brown, it is the sign that it's already cooked. Start removing it from the pan and place it in a strainer or a paper towel to remove the excess oil. Now, for the sauce, again, we will just mix the mayo and ketchup. Or, you can also have another sauce if you want to. Now, here's the finished product. You can also give a drink for them to fully enjoy their snacks. And for the last snacks, I will be preparing 8 fruits for them. I have orange, apple, and banana. Okay, so just to make sure that they are safe to eat, I wash it again in the sink. Then after cleaning all the fruits, you may now begin peeling off the skins of the fruit. So I started with the orange. Then, after peeling the fruit or the orange, cut it into half, and then just get the half of it and peel it one by one. And then what I did next was I get a knife and start cutting it in the side to remove the seeds. And then after removing all the seeds, try to clean it again and then start cutting it into small pieces and then place it in a clean plate. Next, I followed it with the apple. I just get the other half of it and then start peeling the skin. Just like what I did in the orange, after peeling all the skin of the apple, I cut it into small pieces and then remove also the seeds. Then also, I cut it into small pieces or bite size so that the toddlers can easily grab and chew it. And last but not the least, the banana. I just remove the rotten part of the banana and start cutting it also into small pieces. And then after that, I just put it also in the plate. Now when it's all done, you can now try to serve it to your toddlers.